Namaskaram and welcome back to another video, and I'm Ramesh Ram. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your mobile phone keypad from normal to colorful keypad like this. So if your friends and family, if they see this kind of keyboard in your mobile phone, then definitely they will be amazed and they will ask how you did this. Okay, so it's very simple, and within 2 minutes you can change your mobile phone keypad from normal to a colorful keypad like this. Okay, so before we jump onto this video, if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and please support my channel. So the first thing is, it's very simple. Just go to Play Store in your mobile phone and download this app which is called Neon LED Keyboard. So, and also I'm giving link in the description for this app. Just click on that link and download this app. So after downloading, just open this app. So then you need to enable this keyboard in your mobile phone. Click on enable keyboard and then click on got it. Then here below you can see LED, neon LED keyboard. So this you need to enable in your mobile phone and then click on OK. So click on OK and then click on OK. Okay, so after enabling this, below you can see English India. You need to click on that and then there will be an ad like this. Okay, after that you just skip this ad. So if you skip this ad, then you will get different sticker store and themes, my photos, background store, languages and settings, everything here you will get it in this app. And then you click on themes. Okay, so these are the dozens of themes you can choose. These are all free to use. Okay, so you can choose any one of this theme and you can use it in your mobile phone. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one right here, and after that you can choose the speed color. Okay, color speed you can choose. So if you can make it fast like this, or you can make it very slow. Okay, so like this you can choose your color speed and also range color. So what are all the color range you want, you can choose from this. Okay, after that you can click on get theme. Okay, so your theme will be applied. Okay, so now I will go to WhatsApp and now you can see my keyboard color has been changed. Okay, so this is very simple. You can do this. And also one more thing, if you want to change your language in your local language, it's very simple. In this keyboard, just click on these three dots and then click on this setting icon and go to languages, and then you need to turn off this use system languages, and then you can choose your language, whichever language, your local language, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, or whatever language, Hindi. So if you turn on your local language, then immediately your language will be switched to your local language. So let me go to WhatsApp once again. So if I click on this, I can change it to my own language. Okay, Hindi. So similarly you can choose different themes in this app. Not only themes, you can set your own photos in the background. Okay, just turn on customize background and then choose a photo from your gallery. So I'm gonna choose this one, and after that you just click on apply and you choose how this photo background will be like. Is it like dim background or blur background? So I will choose dim background and then I'm gonna click on apply. So this one applied. Let me go to WhatsApp and check it out. Okay, so you can see here this photo has been applied to my keyboard. Okay, like this you can choose different things in this cool app. Okay, just go and check it out, and then you can see you can also use different stickers. Okay, and also background store. Main thing is themes. You can choose different colors or themes in this Okay, so like this you can choose different speed and click on get theme. Okay, so this theme will be applied to your keyboard. So let me go back to WhatsApp now, so you can see, so the theme is changed now. So like this you can change your keypad color in your mobile phone, and definitely your friends and family will be amazed by seeing this keypad in your mobile phone. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like for this video, and also please share this video with your friends so that they can also benefit from this video. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye and namaskaram.